So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you want to click on advanced display. And now from here, you want to make sure you have your correct monitor selected. And then next to choose a refresh rate, you want to click on this, you want to open up this box. And then it will show you all the refresh rates that you have on your monitor. So now you can just change it from here. That's the first method. If you know that your monitor can support 144 Hz or higher, you're going to need to have a DisplayPort 1.2 and higher, which can handle 144 Hz at 1080p and 4040p resolutions. You could also use a HDMI 1.4, which can support 120 Hz at 1080p, but for 144 Hz or higher, you're going to need HDMI 2.0 or later. HDMI 2.1 can handle 4K at 120 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz. You may also have an application that can come with your graphics card, so in my case I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I have a video control panel downloaded, and there should be a software for the AMD and Intel equivalent, but in my case I have an NVIDIA graphics card and I have an NVIDIA control panel. If you also have an NVIDIA graphics card, you can download the NVIDIA control panel from the Microsoft Store. And then once you're in the NVIDIA control panel or your software itself, you should be able to find a way to change your resolution. So if you have the NVIDIA control panel like me, you want to head over to NVIDIA control panel and then click on change resolution. And then right here, you want to select your correct monitor, and then you want to select your resolution, and then next to refresh rate, you can select it. And then click on apply, and then that's how you do it.